This is Alpha Dominion Forex Traders. Today is Wednesday, the 15th of March, 2023. In Alpha Dominion Forex Traders, what we try to do on every day is to ensure we give you opportunity of making money in Forex trading market. The global financial market is an opportunity for each and every one of us to be able to take a trade, a positive trade on weekly basis for 2 to 3 days and make a little money for yourself. Making money in forex trading is true, it's realistic. And if you understand your strategy, if you have your strategy in place, and once your strategy is set, you move into the market and take as little as you can. Making $50 a week is key, and it's also an opportunity for you to increase your side income. Though the global financial market is a market that is acceptable by everybody, it is traded all over the world. It is traded initially by the financial institutions. Now, with the advent of computer, it is made available to each and every one of us. So why not take opportunity of taking a trade? Just take a trade. Here in Alpha Dominion Forex Traders, we teach you how to take a trade, and all our trade have been positive. All we want you to do for us, just subscribe to this channel. Every week we give you a trade that gives you money 2 to 3 days. Today is Wednesday. We did not trade yesterday. We did not trade on Monday, Tuesday, because the market was not set. Now the market is set, so we are trading. And that is why we are saying in Alpha Dominion Forex Traders, you can follow us, pick a trade now, and follow us 2-3 days. You make money on each trade we post. We use this Bollinger Band. Bollinger Band is a combination of 3 lines. You have the upper lines, the middle line, and the lower line. This is where you get the Bollinger Band from. You go to trend, this is Bollinger Band. You click on it. This is 50, 2 deviation. This is 2 deviation. Then you can choose the color of your type. Ignore shift. I use this close. Then you click. This is where you are. I have told you severally that Bollinger Band gives you an opportunity using 15 minutes time frame. We use 15 minutes in Alpha Dominion Forex Traders for beginners. We use 15 minutes forex times frame to help you make a trade. And we are saying that the moment you see the contraction, we are talking about this contraction, that once the Bollinger Band that comes from here, from this point to this point, contracts. Once it contracts, this is contraction, and it tries to form a parallel line. We call it parallel in the sense that it's a contraction, and we are saying this is a line, then secondly, it's another line. This line is as a result of the Bollinger Band from down, though it's not straight. You could see, it comes up and form a parallel. And once this is achieved, what you are waiting for in Bollinger Band 15 minutes is the breaking of this middle, this median, the middle of 15 minutes. Once this middle is broken, and it closes below it, it breaks down. This is when we are taking our short. Short means we are selling. You can sell in this market as long as you continue to wait for Bollinger Band to contract up. And this is the month of March. We are now on the 15th. We've been able to teach most of our students and our followers that it is important you wait. It is important you have that patience. You wait to ensure that there is a contraction either up or down. You could see on the 7th of March, there is a contraction. On the 7th of March with our Bollinger Band, there is a contraction. And this contraction results in twofold: contraction below and contraction above. This is the Bollinger Band that came from above. It came down and contracts, form a parallel. This is the Bollinger Band that is also down, that is behind, on the left side. It came down, then contracts. At this contraction, this is where you put your buy. When you place your buy here, assuming you place your buy on the 7th, this is what you get. You would have today, on the 13th of March, you would have been making 3,707 pips. Last week, we tried to teach you how to move $100, how to move a $50 to $1,000, how to move $100 to $1,000 in a period of 1 month. It can be done, and this will also make you make some good money. But as we continue to trade, as we continue to teach you how to trade, just go there and subscribe. Invite your friends. Tell your friends who are Forex traders that Alpha Dominion Forex Traders gives free signal. You don't pay for it. You go there, check our signal. If it gives you profit, then this is what we are talking about. We give free signal, and our signals are free. You go to the market, click on Alpha Dominion Forex Traders, subscribe to us, also put a comment. Give us a comment. Your comment to a great extent will help us in telling you exactly what to do. Today, I will not only be talking about. Today, I will not be talking only about forex trading. I will also be telling you a combination of what you can use in taking a trade, in this market that will help you also make money. We are using Bollinger Band. There are so many indicators. We have so many indicators, and I have been in this market for over 15 years. Therefore, we have narrowed down some indicators that works. Not all indicator works in this situation. Some indicators will make you lose your money in a jiffy, while others can make you make money, in a jiffy. So it is key that you understand there are differences in indicators. There are differences in indicators. Some indicators will make you lose money, and some indicators will make you make money. So, in looking at Bollinger Band is exceptional in the sense that it is only when it contracts that you buy, and it's only when it contracts down, up, that you sell. So those are the only two requirements. The requirement is that you must, have some serious level of patience. Your level of patience must be very high so that you'll be able to wait to harness what Bollinger Band is going to give you in this market. Yes, for you to be able to harness what Bollinger Band is going to give you in this market. Now, we just do a little review from the 1st of March. We will do a little review from the 1st of March. Then I'll come to tell you a second indicator that we can use, to also gauge this market. On the 1st of March, let's assume you have $100 on the 1st of March. Moving $100 to $1,000 is easy. On the 1st of March, which is here, 1st of March 2023, you could see there's a contraction up here. We have a contraction up, and below. Then there's a breakage at the median. This breakage at the median tells you that the market is coming down. So on the 1st, we'll wait and take this trade. So how much is this? This is 12.53. I am moving $100 account to a 1,000. We can move $100 account to $3,000. Okay, we are going to start it today. Moving $100 account to $3,000. Moving $100 account to $3,000, following the Bollinger Band strategy. So now I'm going to place a trade here. We said a $50 we use 0.02, 0.02. That is, we use 4% of $50. So that is 0.04. Now on the $100 account, we are going to use 0.04 in two places. So I'm going to enter 0.04 here now. Okay, no. I will look at another account that will do that. I will do that. Okay, this is my live account, and I wouldn't want to play with this here. Okay, so I'll open another account and do that. It's not still late. We are going to move $100 account to $3,000 within a month. So you could see your $100 account you can move it to $3,000 account in a month following the Bolliger Band strategy. So okay, then hypothetical, let's go to the past. If on the first you take a trade which is $100, assuming you have $100 on the 1st of March, the first trade we are taking here is 12.59. Then we'll go to our calculator, 12.59. Then we might just take into consideration the spread. Your 12.59 times 0.04 is giving you 50. Assuming the spread is about 20%. So we could say times 0.80, that is 40. Okay, so we are making 40 times 2, which is 0. Times 2, that is $80. You could see in your $100, your first trade, your first positive trade has given you 80%. You are using 0.04 in 2 places in a $100 account. This is how beautiful, how sweet it is to trade the forex, in the forex market if you understand what you are doing. Just the way we traded $80, that is how you would have lost $80 when you have no strategy in realizing this figure. So $100 on the first, by on the second, you've realized your 80%. This is $80.57. $80, or you just say $80.57. Instead of calling dollars, we just say $80.57. So you see, it is capable for you to actually make money in this market using a strategy that works. Your strategy has to work. We are doing this free. All we need from you, all we need from all our students, all our followers, just subscribe to us. Subscribe to us. Every week we continue to give you opportunity of making money in this market. Let's grow together. Let's grow together. This is an empowerment. We want to empower Nigerians. If you follow us. Okay, so we are making 80. This is 80.57. Now we don't have $1, we now have 180. Then on the second, you could see there's also a contraction. On the second, there's a contraction down and there's a contraction up. This contraction down, you look at it carefully. Is it going to break the median? Yeah, it breaks this median. Once it breaks this median up, it tells you that this market is going up. So what do? You place your trade here, you put a buy straight up. And if we take how many pips is here, this is 1019 pips. Now we have plus $100, we now have $180.57. $180.57. That is what you have in your equity. That is what you have in your capital, and that is what you have now to trade. And remember, every $50 is 0.02 in 2 places. Every $100 is 0.04 in 2 places. No, now we have 180. So we are going to trade 0.04 in 2 places plus 0.02 until we get to 200. So 180.57. What we have here now is 180.57, which is great. 180.57. This is hypothetical and it's real. 180.57. Okay. Now, we have here, we've taken another trade on the 2nd that ends on the 5th, which is 1019. 1019, we go to our system, say 1019. This 1019 times 0.04 in 2 places, that's in 3 places now, 0.04. That is $40. Then we say the spread, maybe 20%. We remove, that's $40, 0.80. We have $40. $40 times. So it gives us 32. 32 times 3. That is 96. So we now have 96 plus 180.57. 96 plus 180.57 cents. $180 plus 57 cents. We now have $276.57. We now have $276.57. This is good. This is good. So now there's a contraction again. What we are looking for in our 15 Bollinger Band is this contraction. Once there is this contraction, we'll say, okay, this is good. And there's a contraction again on the 5th, then there's a breakage at the middle. Then we'll put a trade. We are selling this time around. So we sold to this place. So these are selling. Then we check how many pips. This is 2,102 pips. 2,102 pips. 2,102 pips. So we come back here again. 2,102 102 pips times, we have 276. In every 100 we use 0.4 in 2 places, so we are going to use 0.4 in two places, that is 5 in 5 places, times 0.04, that is 84. Then we remove the spread. This is just hypothetical. That is 67. Then times 5. $336. $336.32. Wow. $336.32. Okay? Now we wait again. There's a contraction below here. There's a contraction on the 7th. A contraction is here. This contraction is here. So we are placing a sell right here now in this contraction. So while we are placing this sell, no sell, a buy. There's a contraction down. Then there's a breakage at the middle. Once this breakage is achieved, what do? We put a buy. We put a buy. And this one is giving us how much? For how many days? On the 8th till on the 13th, it's giving us 3,748 pips. 3,748 pips. 3,754 pips. Wow. 3,754 pips times 0.04. That is 150. Then we remove the spread, 20%. That is 120. So now we now have 612 612. So we've been 612, that is 0.02. This is every 100 is 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is 12. So times 12. That is times 12. Wow. Times 12. That is 1,141. 1,141 plus 336.32 plus 276.37. This is 2,000. In fact, within the half month, we already make it 2,000. $2,054.22. This is wonderful. Turning $100 to $3,000 in a month. We almost achieved this half of the month. So right now what we have here is 2,054 pips. 2,054 pips, and we are achieving it within the half of the month. 2,054 pips being achieved. We wanted to achieve it in 1 month. We have achieved it in 15 days. This is hypothetical, but it's real. If only you have the patience and follow. Now, we're also picking a trade here because there's a contraction. This one that is ongoing is going to be on for today, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So you can still enter this market tomorrow, you'll make money out of it. You can still enter on Friday, you'll make money out of it. That is why we are saying follow our market. We give you opportunity of trading in this market and making money on weekly basis. This is Alpha Dominion Forex Traders. Subscribe to us, subscribe to this channel, tell your friends, tell all Forex traders, the beginners, there is an opportunity to learn here. Then quickly I said, after putting the Bollinger Band, we can also look at other areas that can help us determine how we'll be taking trade using Bollinger Band and giving you a confirmation from what I call Ichimoku Kinko Hao. It's a very difficult thing to pronounce. Ichimoku. Some people call it Aishimoku, but this is Ichimoku Kinko Hao. It's a Japanese word. We just pronounce it the way it is. Ichimoku. We just stop at Ichimoku. Ichimoku has different parameters. We have the Tenkan-sen, the Kuji-sen, the Kospan, the Up Kumo, and the Down Kumo. In all this, I'm only interested in 2 of his parameters, in 2 of his, indicators, which is the Up Kumo and the Down Kumo. The Up Kumo and the Down Kumo. The Up Kumo and the Down Kumo. I'm not touching anything here. Every other thing is okay. I just go to the colors. So I neutralize the Tenkan-sen, I neutralize the Kuji-sen, I neutralize the Chikou-span because I don't need them in my trading. So I focus on Up Kumo and Down Kumo. The Up Kumo is green, while the Down Kumo is red. Then I'm putting my maximum, the maximum output, so that it will be easier for me. So I'm going to put a second indicator. I am going to put a second indicator in today's Bollinger Band, in today's trading. This is a live trading. Live trading, when in the real live market, we like teaching you real. In our training, we teach you real, how to make money in practical. If you don't understand it, you can come to us, give us a shout out, send us an email on alphadominotraders@gmail.com, alphadominotraders@gmail.com. If you want us to train you, We train you and you have nothing to lose. You only stand here to gain. Just the way we are giving it free. We train you and you come out of this school smiling. So we are looking at Ichimoku Kikuhao. This Ichimoku helps you to also see where the green and the red of this Ichimoku apply in the forex trading. So I apply the Ichimoku now to this forex trading. You could see. Now I could decide to, increase it a little, so you can still see. At every point of the Bollinger Band, when the Bollinger Band contracts in the red and green environment up, and the Ichimoku red is seen, that is already an indication. Red here means sell. It means that the market is about going short, that this market is about to go short. That is, it is time for you to sell. It's a color indication of sell, which is red. While green is a color indication of buy. So when you see green down, forming down inside the Bollinger Band, like you are seeing here, in 15 minutes, you know that that market is finished. It's also giving you an opportunity that this market, the global financial market, the pound USD, as at this point, is finished. And that is why you are seeing green coming up here. You are seeing green coming up here. So the moment you see green formation, you know that that market is finished. You'll be preparing to buy. So in all this, what you need to do is patience. Even when you are colorblind, this also gives you a confirmation that once there's a contraction in the 50 Bollinger Band and you've not seen green, don't buy. So what I'm saying is, once you see a contraction, this contraction came down and this contraction also formed down, you've not seen green in Ichimoku, don't buy. Because when you see green, it tells you, yes, I am prepared to go up. The same thing with when you want to sell. So let's just review some buy and sell. On the 6th of March, there's a contraction up. There's a contraction here. This is the median. The Ichimoku is in the median. The moment you don't know where the market is going to break to, Ichimoku will tell you this is red. The moment you are seeing the red here up front, it tells you this is going to be a sell market. So you could put your sell somewhere here and you still make money in this market. So Ichimoku gives you opportunity of knowing that the market is either finished or the market continues. So when you see red continue to go down and your Bollinger Band has formed, what this tells you is that this market is finished, that is taking a different direction. So I think you need a second confirmation. A second confirmation that, yes, I'm in the right market, that it is time for me to also exit, so that you would have taken the number of pips you can. Remember that for every of these trades you take, there must be a stop loss. If you don't trade with a stop loss, you're always saying you want to lose your capital as quickly as possible. That is the meaning. It's also so that you don't know what you are doing. The number one rule is that for every trade you take, there has to be a stop loss. A stop loss is the number of pips you are willing to lose in the market to gain. It's like an opportunity cost. A stop loss is like an opportunity cost. I am ready to lose 35 pips to gain 2,000 pips. Therefore, I could say stop loss is alternative for you to satisfy your present value. Anyway, that's economics. Let's talk about global financial market. I think they are both related. So now, here, Stop loss helps you to preserve your capital. Whatever you are losing in stop loss is something that is consequential. That's something you are willing to sacrifice. That's something you are ready to forgo. Something that you don't really care about. While protecting your capital, you prepare to lose about 20 pips, even 30 pips, as the case may be. So this is what we are teaching today. We will continue to show you how the red and the green formation helps you to determine when to buy and when to sell.